How to create a free e-commerce website on Wix Online Store Tutorial 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about Wix and how you can use Wix to create yourself an amazing looking e-commerce store, a great looking portfolio, and all to go along with it. So all I want you to do is watch this video till the end and listen to all the endless possibilities that I'm going to show you for making a proper e-commerce store for yourself. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Now, basically, to get straight into Wix, what you're going to do is you're going to write www.websiteworldmedia.com/Wix. Okay, you're just going to write that. It's pretty simple, websiteworldmedia.com/Wix. So just go ahead and write that in your URL tab, or you can just go down in the description, and in the top of the description you're going to see this link, so you're just going to click on it, and what that's going to do is it's obviously going to redirect you, as you can see, to the main Wix website. Now over here it's going to ask you for the sign up and everything, so it's more than a website, it's your future. Enter your email address, start now. So what we're going to do is obviously enter our email address. So I'm going to be using a temp mail for my email address, but you can use any type of mail that you want to. Okay, I'm only using a temp mail because this video is for educational purposes, and I might scrape off this account later on. So here we go. You don't necessarily need to follow this step. You can just go ahead and use your Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail, whatever. Once you do that, you're going to click on Start Now. And once we clicked on Start Now, it's going to bring us here. Okay, here we have the email that we added. It's already there. And now it's going to say type your email again. You're going to type that in, and then there's the password and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and add a strong password. Okay, there we go. And then you're just going to type it down here again. There we go. And now you're going to click on sign up. Now, once you do that, obviously you're going to agree with their terms and everything. And once all of that is done, first, who are you creating a website for? Obviously, it's going to be for yourself. We're going to click on continue. And once you click on continue, what kind of website are you creating? Obviously, it's an online store because it's e-commerce. We're going to go with that. Then you can go into more detail, like what online store is it? What do you sell? It could be an online clothing store. It could be an online art store. I'm going to go with online art store and click on next. And once we click on next, obviously, accordingly, it's going to ask us the store name. I'm going to keep it random right now. Don't worry, you can change it later on. Store name is always changeable. Don't worry about that. Now, once you do that, what do you want to add to your website? These are the different, features and widgets that are going to be added to your website. So first of all, this is the based, setting. Online store. Sell your products or find new products to sell. It's going to give you the capability of selling products on your website. Then you have chat. Okay, I don't really need to explain this. It's, as it says, chatting. You can chat with site visitors from desktop or mobile. Then you have forums. Okay, you can get info, subscribers, and payments with forums. You have groups. Okay, create active communities for your site members. You have bookings, events, blog, portfolio, pricings, video, music, online, forum, file share, all these things that you can add later on if you want to. Yeah, now once you do that, you're going to click on next. Once you do that, you're going to come here. You're ready for your next step. Continue setting up your store in your dashboard. So what we're going to do is you're going to click on go to your dashboard. Once you do that, obviously, as it says, you're going to head straight into the dashboard setting, where you're going to, do the whole management bit and everything. So as you can see, it says preparing your dashboard right now. So we're going to wait for it to prepare. Okay, it takes a few seconds to load in. And once it obviously loads in, what you're going to want to do is obviously just go ahead and start messing around with the whole product section. Now, obviously, the main concept of e-commerce is adding products and getting paid. So we're going to set all of that up. And before getting into that, let me remind you again, to access this website, to access Wix, you're going to write websiteworldmedia.com/Wix, or just use the link in the description below. Once we've gotten that out of the way, let's go ahead and see what comes with, an e-commerce store. So first of all, obviously connect a custom domain for yourself. Now, connecting a custom domain is relatively important in my opinion. Okay. Now, I think this way because, if you don't have a domain, then you don't have a proper web address. Okay. And obviously, if you don't have a domain, people won't be able to locate your website. Now, obviously, go ahead and choose a domain. Now, the domain can be chosen, you can choose all different domain providers like Bluehost, Hostinger, you have GoDaddy, and all these different hosting providers. You can use one of them, or you can, just choose Wix's very own free hosting. Okay, so you're just going to write something, click on Let's Go. Let's say I'm just going to write that. right? Let's go. Obviously, it's going to give you all the free different, as you can see, it says get it. I'm going to click on get it. Obviously, it says upgrade now. We don't want to do that right now. Okay, I'm just going to show you all the free bits. You can obviously go ahead with their free domain that they provide you. It's not the most attractive, but hey, it's what you get for free. Now, it says add your first product, okay? So obviously we're going to go ahead and do that. Now, add your first product. You're going to go here, click on add product. And once you click on add product, obviously it's going to give you the whole setting of adding different products. Now you can add products from different stores as well. If you're like drop shipping or stuff, for that, you're going to need to get a connection link or an HTML embedded link. Okay. As you can see, these are different sample products that they've added, just to fill up our store, which I'm going to get into in a second. But to add products, you're just going to go on the plus sign, click on new physical product or digital, depends on whatever type of product you have. Obviously we have an art store, so let's say I'm going to go here. Let's choose an art image. Okay, obviously I'm using Pexels. Okay, Pexels is a great you could say stock image creator, and you can search any types of image over here. As you can see, I just searched art, and it's obviously going to go ahead and give me images of different arts and frames and all that stuff. So once it does that, obviously you're going to go ahead and download it as so. And once you've downloaded it, as you can see, it starts downloading. What you're going to do is you're going to come back here. Okay, let me just wait for this to mainly download. And once it downloads, obviously you're going to go here. You're going to click on add images. Now, while the image loads, I'm going to go ahead and artist's frame. I'm just going to, name it randomly. Then you have the description. I'll obviously go ahead and write a description about this art piece that you have, upholding. And once you do that, you have the pricing. Okay. So just go ahead and add whatever pricing goes with this. Okay, add custom fields if you want to. Then you have the inventory and shipping. If it has an SKU code, make sure to add that. Add a shipping weight, because that is also pretty necessary in my opinion. And as you can see, our image is added now. So we're going to go and add images. Okay. And once we do that, obviously it opens the media dashboard for this. So we're just going to wait for it to do that. Upload media, upload from computer. Okay. And once it's all done, we're just going to click on the image. And once you click on the image, we're going to wait for it to, load everything up. It takes a few seconds. Obviously depends on however big the image is. And once it's, done loading and everything, from there on out, what you're going to do is you're going to choose the image that you just picked up and click on add to page. Okay. In that background and in that retrospect, what's going to happen is that obviously this photo is going to stay uploaded in your media. Like, let's say you want to access this photo again later on, you can just come to your media gallery or your media dashboard, which is this, and you can access the same photo. So I'm going to click on add to page, and once it's done, you're going to click over here up on save, and you're going to make sure to keep this tick. Okay, show an online store, keep that ticked. And as you do that, here you are, you're good to go. You've added that. Now you're going to come back here into your dashboard. Okay. And once you go into your home dashboard, we're just going to wait for it to load up and everything. And let me show you how you can finally design your site. So obviously that goes with the e-commerce stuff, adding products. And obviously you're going to set up your payments and shipping and delivery. Designing the website aspect is pretty simple. You're just going to rearrange the products, but obviously set up your payments and shipping. That is the most important bit of this video. Okay. So obviously you have different payment providers. Okay, the payment providers could be Stripe, could be PayPal, all those stuff. But I'd more preferably go with Skrill. Okay, Skrill credit card. It's amazing and allows you to accept credit and debit. Obviously you're just going to verify yourself and everything, set up your shipping, set up your delivery, do all the editing stuff you want to, and you're going to be good to go. Please do make sure to check out the link in the description. So yeah, that's about it. Now if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know and I'll make more for you. Yeah, that's about it. Until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.